Hello, hello. Good afternoon, folks. Will Castello here, your strategic AI consultant. Hey, it's another great day having our AI briefing here today. I am so glad that you are here to join us. Here we are talking about three tips on how to future proof your business with AI. Well, again, I am here, yours truly, Will Castello, your strategic AI consultant. We're going to go ahead and get right on into it today for another great series. Hey, listen, we want to make sure that you are listening to how important this is, because if you're not implementing, if you're not talking about, if you're not even thinking about AI, then you're missing the boat. You're missing the whole time. You're going to get left behind, folks, and you don't want to get that to happen. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and jump on in to my great introduction of AI for today. Hey, AI is no longer a distant trend, folks. It's no longer a distant trend. It's reshaping how businesses operate today, and the pace of change is only accelerating. To survive and thrive, companies must be dynamic, adaptable, and built to scale with technology. The truth is that 5 years from now, many business owners will be left behind, not because AI failed them, but because they failed to embrace the change. So in this session today, I'll be walking you through how to future-proof your business. By the end, you will not only understand what's coming, but also how to position your business to grow stronger in the age of AI. Well, are you preparing your business for tomorrow or hoping things stay the same? The urgency of AI. AI is moving at an all-time fast response rate than any previous technology, period. Rates are skyrocketing, and we're already seeing the entire industry get reshaped. AI adaptation is accelerating worldwide. Businesses that ignore AI are always falling behind. They risk falling behind, excuse me. So the entire industries are already disrupted. AI is a tool for growth, not a threat. Why future proofing matters. Okay. Markets shift faster than others. Customer expectations keep rising. Competitors are always adapting quickly. And future proofing, building systems that adapt, not collapse. Why future? What future proofing with AI really means to me? I would say this. Excuse me. When we say future proof with AI, we mean AI not just for convenience, but built for long-term survival. Think of it as building shock absorbers for your business. Adapting for disruption, scaling for efficiency, stay competitive long-term, and serve customers better. How can something I tell people, well, listen, well, how can we future-proof your business again with AI? I kind of hear what you're saying, Will, but tell me, how can I do that? Well, this is how. Number one, we're going to automate for scalability. Automation isn't just about saving time today. It ensures that as your business grows, you don't need to multiply costs at the same rate. That's future proofing. You're going to free up some staff for repetitive tasks and assign them at other places, right? You're going to handle higher demands with the same resources, and you're going to reduce costs while growing. Number two, predict with AI insights. Data is your compass. AI transforms raw information into foresight, helping you act before issues rise. Predictive insights give you business and gives business the ability to adapt in real time. So you're going to move from guessing, right, to forecasting. Then you're going to do from identifying, you're going to identify your risk early so that way you can spot new opportunities right away. Like that's what we're going to do. Number 3, we're going to strengthen security with AI. No business is safe from cyber threats. None. There's not one. And they're only going to get smarter. Future-proofing means making sure one attack doesn't shut you down. AI can detect unusual patterns, flag risk in real time, and protect your systems before the threats become disasters. Well, how? You may sit here and say, well, how does that work, Will? Like, I still don't understand. Well, cyber threats are always evolving daily. AI detects faster than humans, right? Then we use AI to protect your business from disruption. Future-proofing starts now. So let us show you how we can future-proof your business to make sure that you have the tools and the necessary things in place to make sure those things happen. Don't just wait. Don't just wait. Instead of waiting, click on this QR code here. Schedule a consultation. Schedule a consultation where we look to do an AI growth assessment. We would do an AI growth assessment with your network, with your business to show you and streamline your processes on how you can utilize and get these things done. Folks, listen, I'm already doing it. We're doing it in our sessions right now. This is how you can do it. You may hear from other people. We got thousands and hundreds of thousands of vendors right now online. Everybody's talking about AI. A done-for-you service with AI. Done-for-you service with getting leads, growing sales, all those things. Listen, you need a proven process, right? But first, you got to find a partner, right? This is the reason why you partner with us. You partner with us, Will, at Triad Cyber Solutions, and that being also known as NexCore AI. NexCore AI, you partner with us. We can help you put these processes in place, and we're welcome to do it for you, your friends, your family, whoever the case may be. But listen, take your phone, pull the camera up, and scan that QR code. And then once you scan that QR code, book a time where we can sit down and we can get together and kind of go over some of the things that you like to look at, that you like to do, and the processes. But until then, folks, thank you all for joining us for this quick little AI briefing. We are always here to serve you and to help do the most of all that we can do for you. Okay? Well, until next time, we will see you next week. Bye-bye.